We are going to do Czerny Opus 261 passage exercises. There are delightful exercises in this book. I want you to stay on till the last minute of the exercises. You will get a lot of tips. You will be surprised how much you learn through these exercises. And also, I like to ask you to click on subscribe and bell button for me. And spread the word to everybody near you to join us. It means a lot to me. We will do today number 3 and 4 in this book. Number 3, first. No key signature. So, which means it's in C major or A minor. How you determine major or minor? You have to look at the first major and last major, how it starts, how it ends. Okay, the first major you have tonic in C major, C, E, G, and end is also C, E, C. So it is definitely C major. Okay, 3, 8 times signature. There are 3 count each major, and 8 note gets 1 beat. So this is started quarter note, which means 3 count. You have to holding while you are playing second and third count. So it'll be 1, 2, 3. 2 16th note gets 1 beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and you have to remember this is only 1 bar here. Okay, so let's try left hand alone. 1, 2, 3. Oh, don't play down, ba, 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 ba. It's too heavy and too lazy. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 4 times you have a tonic. And then you go subdominant and tonic and dominant, 7th tonic and tonic 4 times, then go down to D, F, A, which means supertonic, D, F, A, okay? And down to 7th and tonic. Okay, supertonic is always, not always, very often comes with dominant. Let's go on to right hand part. Very simple. C on high C here with the thumb. 1 and 2 and 3 and okay. This sound is very strong, sharp accent. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Octave high. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2. Go back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3. 1 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, when you do this one, you don't lift it up whole thing. You have to lift it up E, only E, holding this one, so make it perfect legato. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Little fast. Very simple, isn't it? Let's try both together slowly. the spot, you cannot go smooth easily. You will be amazed how the place you had trouble and difficulty turn it to be a smooth and nice musical piece with practice. We will do very slowly with easy pieces so newcomers don't have any difficulty to follow. If the newcomers are still having problem catching up, I suggest you to go back Czerny Opus 599, even further back Bayer's elementary method for pianoforte. So anyone who can join us recently don't have any difficulty to follow. Then once we get on the track, we'll go fast. Our lesson next is number 4, Czerny's Opus 261. It is still in C major, and time signature is 6/8. 6 count to the major and 8th note gets 1 beat. So of course 2 16th note gets 1 8th note. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. But it's easier to count when you have many counts in a major. You could have 1 2 3 1 2 3. It's easier to do it. Let's do the left hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 다음에 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 다음에 7th 3 1 2 3 1 and 2 and 3 1 and 2 3 1 2 3. Now these are the same pattern, skip down and skip down 3 times. That's what you call sequence. So 1 and 2, skip down, 1 and 2, skip down, again skip down, and bum, 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 bum. 1 2 3. 다음에 to 7th tonic. Let's try right hand part. It's all tonic up to here. Then go to dominant to 7th, and tonic, submediant, supertonic, dominant to 7th, and tonic, dominant to 7th, and tonic. Okay, so let's play right hand part, all tonic. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, this is grace note. You are going flip to the C very quickly because it doesn't have its time value. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 and 2 3 1. Okay, when you have this one, this note doesn't belong to this one. This belongs to the previous phrase. So go 1 2 3, connect it. 1, detach it. Da 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 dee da. Okay, let's try both and together very slowly. 1. faster. I want you to practice a little bit to polish it up. We will end today's lesson here and looking forward to the next one. Don't forget to click on subscribe and bell button for me and spread the word to your friends, neighbors, and siblings, to everybody, so they can join us and enjoy music. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.